income is generated in the form of circular flow, or what is circular flow of income? इनकम किस तरह जनरेट होता है एक इकोनॉमी में इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सर्कुलर फ्लो, फॉर्म ऑफ सर्कुलर फ्लो. Basically, in every economy or in every country, income is generated in the production process. Income is generated. Income is generated in the production process. In the production process, always when there is production, there is generation of income. Until there is no production, there is no income. So income generation is related with production process. This production process or production of goods or services, production of goods and services is taken place by factors of production. So these are factors of production who produce goods, and so production of goods and services is taken place by the efforts of factors of production. Is taken place by the factors of production. These factors of production are we have generally 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital, and organizer. Yes, organizer. These are owned by households. These are owned by households. Factors of production are owned by households. The firms, on the other hand, produce goods and services. The firms produce goods and services. With the help of these factors of production. With the help of factors of production. आपको अंडरस्टैंड होता है मैं क्या कहता हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Any economy, income is generated in the production process. Production process means production of goods and services. Goods and services are produced by the factors of production, which are owned by households. The firms are the producers. They produce goods and services, but with the help of factors of production. Firms produce goods and services with the help of factors of production. These firms, the firms pay to the household, to the factors of production. These factors of production are owned by the households. These firms pay to the factors of production or to the households. Householders को पे करते हैं या factors of production को पे करते हैं, because factors of production are owned by the households. They are owned by the household. So the firms pay to the household.
Factors.
Yes, the factors of production or households in the form of rent,
wages,
interest, and profit.
Yes, sir.
And profit. Then these households pay to the firms. Then these households pay to the firms as payment for goods and services. As payment for
goods and
services. These householders pay to the firms as payment for goods and services. this payment by firms to the households as rent, wages, interest and profit
Rent, wage,
payment by
interest,
firms
and
to the
profit.
households in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit, and payment by in return on the other hand. And on the other hand, payment by households to firms. Firms pay to the households in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit, and on the other hand, the payment by households to the firms as payment for goods and services, as payment for goods and services in the production process. In the production process is called a circular flow of income. Circular flow of income in a two-sector economy. In a two-sector economy. कैसे होता है ये? For example, these are households. These are households. किस तरह होता है ये? Households. And these are firms. बात कैसे बनती है? How income is generated in the circular flow? These are the households. They own factors of production. इनके पास क्या है? Factors of production. ठीक है? इनके पास factors of production. They supply these factors of production to the firms. They supply these factors of production to the firms. They supply these factors of production to the firms. Land, labor, capital, organization. ठीक है? Householders नजर आता है? Householders supply करते हैं firms को क्या? Land, labor, capital, organization. ये firms इनको इनके बदले goods and services provide करते हैं. Goods and services. ये समझने की बात है. इकोनॉमी है, इसमें दो सेक्टर है, हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर एंड फर्म सेक्टर. हम बात करते हैं इनकम किस तरह, फॉर एग्जांपल एक नई इकोनॉमी बन गई तो कैसे इनकम इसमें क्रिएट होगा, इनकम इसमें कैसे क्रिएट होगा, आमदनी कैसे बनेगी लोगों की. स्टार्ट होता है हाउस होल्डर से. हाउस होल्डर्स के पास लैंड है, लेबर है, कैपिटल है, ऑर्गेनाइजर. दूसरा साइड है फर्म्स. कोई आदमी उठता है और फर्म बनाता है, फर्म एस्टैब्लिश करता है. हाउस होल्डर्स सप्लाई करते हैं, क्या करते हैं? लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल. जाओ हमारे लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल ऑर्गेनाइजर को ले लो. आप फर्म को बताते हैं. इसके बदले फर्म्स इनको देते हैं गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, बिकॉज फर्म्स प्रोड्यूस गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज विद द हेल्प ऑफ लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजर ओनर्ड बाय द हाउस होल्डर्स. यस. सो ये होता है एक किस्म का सर्कुलर फ्लो. फ्लो होता है चलना. सर्कुलर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सर्कल. फ्लो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए सर्कल. ये ऐसे हो गया. लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजर सप्लाई हो गया फर्म्स की तरफ. फर्म्स ने इन रिटर्न दे दिया गुड्स एंड सर्विस. अब अगर इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ मनी है, अगर इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ मनी है, ये यहां तक जो बात हुई, जो हाउस होल्डर्स ने सप्लाई किया लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजर, और फर्म्स ने उनके बदले उसके बदले उनको दे दिया गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. इसको हम रियल फ्लो. इट इज रियल फ्लो. व्हाट इज रियल फ्लो? रियल फ्लो मीन्स supply of factors of production by the householders to the firms and supply of goods and services from firms to the households is called real flow. Yes, real flow. अब अगर existence of money आ गई, money में क्या होता है? हाउस होल्डर सप्लाई करते हैं लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजर टू द फर्म्स. फर्म्स उनको देते हैं मजदूरी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेंट, वेजेस, इंटरेस्ट and profit. So there is supply of land, labor, capital, organizer from households to firms, and firms supply rent, wages, interest, profit in the form of money to the householders. Landlord ने rent ले लिया, laborer ने wages ले लिए, capitalist ने interest ले लिया, organizer ने profit ले लिया. Okay? अब लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजर सप्लाई हो गया फर्म्स ने उसके बदले इनको दे दिया रेंट, वेजेस, इंटरेस्ट, प्रॉफिट. अब हाउस होल्डर्स को जरूरत है गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज की. ये फर्म्स इनको गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ये इनको पेमेंट देते हैं, पेमेंट फॉर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, पेमेंट फॉर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. सो दिस पेमेंट फॉर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज कम्स फ्रॉम हाउसहोल्ड्स एंड गोज टू फर्म्स. ये एरो इस तरह जाता है, इसीलिए हम कहते हैं दिस इज सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम. फर्स्ट लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजर सप्लाइड बाय हाउसहोल्ड्स टू द फर्म्स एंड फर्म्स सप्लाई गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. ठीक है. These firms provide rent, wages, interest, profit, supply rent, wages, interest, profit to the householders, and householders pay for goods and services. In this way, this is circular flow of income. इन दो को कहते हैं रियल फ्लो, इसको कहते हैं मनी फ्लो. मनी फ्लो इज of rent, wages, interest, profit by the firms to the householders, and payment for goods holders to the firms in the form of is called money pay. Money flow is called money flow. ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yes sir.
आ गया आपको?
Yes sir.
So income is generated in the production process. The production of goods and services takes place by the factors of production, with the help of factors of production. These factors of production, land, labor, capital, organizer, they are owned by the households. The firms produce goods and services with the help of factors of production. The firms pay to the factors of production in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit. Then these households pay to the firms as payment for goods and services. This payment by firms to the households in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit, and payment by households to the firms as payment for goods and services in the production process is called a circular flow of income. Is called a circular flow of income. ठीक है? So the payment from firms to the householders as factor payments. इसको कहते हैं हम factor payments. Rent, wages, interest, profit. This is called a factor payment. Factor payment. What is factor payment? Factor payment is payment made to the factors of production in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit by the firms to the householders. So firms make factor payment to the householders as payment for factors of production, as payment, and the householders pay to the firms as consumption expenditure. This payment for goods and services, this is called a consumption expenditure. It's called a consumption expenditure. This is called a consumption expenditure. Consumption expenditure. Yes. Consumption expenditure. So this is income generation in the form of circular flow. अब एक दो चीजें हमें निकल के आ गए. What is real flow and what is money flow? ये हो गया. आप लिख लीजिए real flow and distinguish between real flow and money flow. What is a real flow and money flow? अभी हमने दो ही सेक्टर्स ले लिए, हाउसहोल्ड सेक्टर एंड फर्म सेक्टर, बट देयर आर सो मेनी सेक्टर्स इन इंडिया. वो हम आगे जाके पढ़ेंगे एक एक करके. सर्कुलर फ्लो इन, दिस इज कॉल्ड सर्कुलर फ्लो इन टू सेक्टर इकोनॉमी. फिर है थ्री सेक्टर इकोनॉमी, जिसमें हम ये फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर भी लाएंगे, बैंक्स हैं, इसी तरह हम
Market.
रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड सेक्टर भी लाएंगे। तो पहले ये क्लियर करेंगे व्हाट इज रियल फ्लो एंड मनी फ्लो। रियल फ्लो ऑफ अंडरलाइन, real flow. The supply of factors of production. The supply of factors of production. Factors of production. कौन कौन से factors of production है? Land, labor, capital,
Labor capital.
organization. The supply of factors of production from households to firms. From households to firms. From households to firms. And supply of, and on the other hand, the supply of goods and services. फर्म्स ने लैंड लेबर कैपिटल ऑर्गेनाइजर हायर किया, उसके बदले उनको क्या मजदूरी दे दी? गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज। एक आदमी ने आपके पास एक दिन काम किया, आपने उसको चावल के 10 किलो दे दिए, कोई कैश इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है, मनी इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है, दैट इज रियल फ्लो। कोई आदमी मेरे पास मजदूरी करता है, मैं उसको चावल देता हूं, मैं उसको मक्की देता हूं, मैं उसको वीट देता हूं, नो मनी बट काइंड, पेमेंट इन काइंड। तो यही बात हम यहां करते हैं। हाउस होल्डर्स सप्लाई करते हैं लैंड लेबर कैपिटल ऑर्गेनाइजर, फर्म्स उनको उसके बदले देते हैं गुड्स एंड सर्विस, एंड द सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज फ्रॉम हाउस होल्डर्स, फ्रॉम फर्म्स टू हाउस होल्डर्स। What? Supply of factors of production like land, labor, capital, organizer from households to firms, and supply of goods and services from firms to households is known as real flow. Is known as real flow. Is known as real flow. In the real flow, there is exchange of goods and services and factors of production. In real flow, there is exchange of goods and services. There is exchange of goods and services for factors of production. For factors of production. यहाँ एक साइड फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है, दूसरा साइड उसके को गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज देता है। द रियल फ्लो इज क्लॉकवाइज। क्लॉकवाइज पता है, जिस तरह घड़ी चलती है।
Yes, sir.
Circular flow is clockwise. The real flow is clockwise, as shown in back. ये है हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर, ये है फर्म सेक्टर एंड household sector. Householders are the owners of factors of production. They supply these factors of production to firms. Okay. Land, labor, capital, and organizer. These factors of production are supplied by households to the firms, and firms in return pay or supply goods and services. मजदूर ने काम किया फर्म में, वहां से चीज लाई, लैंडलॉर्ड ने लैंड अपना दे दिया, वहां से चीज लाई, गुड्स एंड सर्विस। मनी की इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है। दिस इज रियल फ्लो। दिस इज रियल फ्लो। ऑर्गेनाइजर ने काम किया फर्म में, एज मैनेजर, एज मास्टर ऑफ द फर्म, as executive officer of the firm, he didn't take his salary or profit in the form of money, but in the form of goods and services. Goods and services. So this is real flow. ये हो गया clear?
सर आवाज
हम्म
सर आवाज नहीं हुआ
हैं? क्या बात
सर
है?
आवाज नहीं हुआ
जो मैं बोर्ड पे लिखता हूं ना, यही है कुछ. अब लिख लेंगे मनी फ्लो, ये सॉल्व करेंगे.
यस सर यस सर
लिख लीजिए मनी फ्लो. दिस वाज बार्टर सिस्टम. इसको हम कहते हैं बार्टर सिस्टम. When goods are exchanged for goods or factors are exchanged for goods, this is barter system. Real flow barter system में होता है. अब है money flow. Money flow. Since we are living in the world which are money economies, the modern economies are called money economies. अब वो barter system रहा नहीं. Modern economies are called money economies. So after the existence of money, after the invention of money, so all economies have now become money economies, because in these economies transactions are made in terms of money, because in all economies transactions are made. Now all types of transactions are made or held in the form of money, in terms of money. So all transactions are made in terms of money. Here in real flow, the payment made by firms to the households are in the form of money, which is in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit. So the payment made by firms to factors of production, in the form of rent, wages, interest, and profit. The payment made by firms to the factors of production or to the households in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit. And on the other hand, payment made by households to firms as payment for goods and services. And on the other hand, the payment made by households to firms as payment for goods and services, as consumption expenditure, in the form of money or in terms of money. Is called money flow. Yes. The payment made by firms to the households and the payment made by households to the firms for payment of goods and services in terms of money is called money flow. That is called money flow. Thus the exchange of money between firms and households. Thus exchange of money between households and firms between households and firms as factor payments, जो firms pay करते हैं as factor payments, as factor payments and payment for goods and services, and payment for goods and services. Thus, the exchange of money between households and firms as factor payments and payment for goods and services is known as money flow. Is known as money flow. यहाँ barter system नहीं है. आप किस तरह हम in the form of diagram ये दिखाएंगे. This is household sector and this is firm sector. This is household sector. So here we see firms pay to the households. Firms pay to the households as rent, wages, interest, and profit. On the other hand, households pay to the firms as payment for goods and services. Payment for goods and services. जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इसको हम factor payment कहते हैं. This is factor payment. Payment made to the factors of production. And this is what? This is consumption expenditure. This is consumption expenditure. Consumption expenditure. Consumption is made by households. They receive goods and services from firms and pay them in the form of money, which is called consumption expenditure. Thus, the exchange between households and firms in the form of factor payments and consumption expenditure in the form of money is money flow. So when there is flow of money, exchange of money between households and firms, that is money flow. When there is exchange of factors of production and goods and services between households and firms, that is called a real flow. That is called a real flow.
Real flow.
So this is all about the circular flow of income. Okay? समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
तो कल मैं उठाऊंगा
जी सर.
circular flow with saving and investment, circular flow with government sector, ठीक है? Circular flow with foreign sector. Okay?
जी सर.
कोई क्वेश्चन मत
Yes,
है?
sir.
क्वेश्चन मत है कोई?
No, sir. No, sir.
आज के लिए काफी है. कल क्लास लेना है. चुके शुक्र तरफदरी एजुन करेंगे.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, अब कंटिन्यू क्लास लेना. थैंक यू. क्वेश्चन मत के? क्वेश्चन मत है कोई?
No, sir. No, sir.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.